Ben, are they good?
Give me a thumbs up. There it is.
They're headed to Battlefield.
Oh, here we go. I'm so
quarters.
excited.
2, 1, go!
Alright, here we go. Aggie. Punk Panda. We saw Punk Panda earlier fight. Was that... What did he fight? Blade-wise?
Blade-wise, yeah.
Yeah. I knew he was a Marth. Yeah, really, like we talked about last time, Wario's really good at just biting you if you are on the platform above him. And just throwing you away.
And Aggie really understands this character. He has improved so much in the past
His
year.
understanding of this game, even,
Yeah.
like, it's so thorough. You know?
Aggie is a lab rat.
And that's a good thing. Wow, wow. Falling up airs. Put your hands together if you want to clap. Oh. Wow, okay.
Panda kind of having a hard time getting in on... Oh, no, never mind. He just goes
Is that
back.
down smash?
Yeah.
Not too
down
familiar
smash.
with Wolf's moveset. Okay. Put your hands together. If you're Aggie and you know it, clap your hands.
He can't clap his hands. He's playing a game, Miles.
Then does he even know if he's Aggie? How does he know?
That Nair just sent him so far, but he's making it back.
Clap your hands. If you're watching Red games and you know it, then clap your hands. Ooh, all right. Nice little forward air. Ooh, oh.
Just barely misses getting that edge guard.
Yeah, that would have been really interesting. Just get that rising side B. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Don't look away from the screen. And he immediately looks away from the screen. Wario has so
Oh
little...
my god, that Nair pushed him back so far.
Wario's jump squat is so short, just throwing out a neutral air right out of shield is probably one of the best options. Like, in a lot of situations. Love it.
Nice string here from Punk Panda.
So,
This should be it. No,
so when people are saying Wario's broken or needs to be nerfed, they're probably just going to show this video.
yeah.
It's
Another jab down smash kill.
Yeah, Wario and Luigi somehow, like, you could just throw multiple aerials in, like, a single hop. So you can just string that together. Keep your opponent in hit stun. Keep him close. Look at that. Also, sound effects are great.
Aggie's been saving that fart for the majority of this game. He hasn't used it at all.
My money's on recovery.
Probably. Like last stock recovery type stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Or
There it is.
right
Hold it. I mean, it recharges in, what, 30 seconds?
30 or 40.
Something insanely short like that for some reason.
That's not it. Wario's far too fat to die off the top.
He's far too fat.
Wolf's up smash.
He's far too fat. That's interesting. Doesn't quite clap his hands.
Punk Panda taking a lead now. Let's see if he can establish stage control again. Aggie naring his way back to neutral. Cute little double shine from
Aggie,
Punk Panda.
the guy who beats Silent Wolf. There it is.
Going even with Wolf.
Whoa. All right. Double dash attack. Okay.
Nice forward smash, even though Aggie was coming back up, just going right through it.
Yeah, Punk Panda's really coming back to the stock. Ooh, ooh.
Tries to get
the interject.
Oh my god, that fart.
The fart.
Misses the Nair again.
Although, good job covering that ledge with the neutral air.
Oh! Is this it? Nope. And
That's
it.
game. Nice.
Narrowly taking game one.
The winner is...
Everybody loves Aggie.
Shoutouts from the Walla Walla people to Aggie. Proclaiming their love. Wario, cha cha cha.
Wario,
cha cha cha.
Wario,
cha cha cha. That chant is awful.
It
There's so many bad.
has a certain charm to it.
Yeah.
But if I had to hear it, like,
Every day.
if I was really good at Wario, you'd be hearing that a lot. You'd be like, ugh.
Just gonna run it back to Battlefield. Seeing a lot of neutral stages, not a lot of counterpick stages.
Seeing a
in
lot
these
of
matches.
runbacks, too.
Yeah, a lot of runbacks.
Hey, maybe tap Ben Marks on the shoulder. Switch the overlay yet.
Oh. Ben. There we go. We got it.
Welcome back.
We're doing it.
Now we're gonna start talking about the match. Down smash,
This
really
is-
good. Like, if you crouch cancel that down smash, you're going. You're going.
Panda off to a dominant start here in the second game.
I feel like he wants a repeat of that last match. Like, just the way he played that last stock, he's gonna pull that out this entire game. Like I think he finally found his rhythm.
So you play Wario, right?
I picked him up after Aggie bodied me.
Yeah. So what is the utility of Wario's down smash?
I haven't figured it out.
Oh, perfect. I'm glad I asked.
Honestly, you'd be better off asking him. I've never used it and have it be like useful.
Like I've played Aggie so many times because he comes out in the WC tournaments, and I still barely understand what that move does.
It just has a really wide hitbox, and you can do it a few times, I guess. But one thing I like to see is down smash,
And
if
that
they
Yep, stage spike
Wow.
with an air. Oh my god.
down smash and it makes it fall over, and then you just immediately forward smash, and that's a pretty good combo. The forward smash covers the same amount of ground laterally,
Yeah.
horizontally, that down smash does.
Amazing pressure from Panda here. Complete turnaround, it seems, from the last game.
Oh,
And
wow.
maybe not with that SD. Nope, no SD. And then gets the side B, but doesn't kill.
My mother just texted me a screenshot of me.
She's
Oh,
a fan
no.
of bread and butter.
We like bread and butter. We like toast and jam.
God, I missed that song.
I don't like toast and jam.
That's wrong.
I mean, jam and toast. I don't like that guy.
Correct.
Meme trash.
Aggie is going to be fighting a long uphill battle for the rest of this match.
I think he can make it.
He's got a full fart on deck, so
Full fart on deck.
anything's possible.
Oh, man. Oh. He's playing a little safer. I'm not
That
seeing
was
too many.
weird little
Oh.
slide from the forward smash. And is he making back? He is. Just having a hard time getting in and getting a kill
Oh.
on Sif, the Great Gray Wolf.
He's kind of hanging back a little bit, not necessarily going for any grabs or. Ooh. Neutral air 8, the laser. Get some coins, man. Hey, nice. That was kind of cool.
Right out of side B.
Yeah, I don't know if he. No, you can't cancel side B. In 3-0, you used to be able to cancel side B by crouching. Imagine how crazy of a mix-up that would have been. You heard what I said, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's cool. I didn't hear you react. That was the point of me saying that. Ooh! Misses jumping off the ledge. I mean,
And
yeah, there's a single forward smash. Takes it. Going to game 3.
Aggie looked a little shook for a sec, but he's doing all right. So Aggie is a stage counter picker. We are not going to see another neutral.
This guy.
Not this time.
This guy knows his stages.
So he's a big fan of WarioWare, and we are going there.
Yeah.
I've played him so many times on this godforsaken stage.
It's a good stage. I like it.
So this is loser's quarter, so it's best of 3. So this decides who's going to go on to semis.
Wow. I mean, it really only makes sense that Wario is good at WarioWare. You got those really short side blast boxes. So like a side B is way more utility.
Interesting little fall down there.
Yeah. kind of pops up from the ledge.
Punk Panda, no fear, just up-being him right through his side B. Or excuse me, up-airing him through his side B.
Is it no fear and energy?
Just kick to the face. And I get us up one stock.
Oh, wow. He's living.
Yup.
Wow.
Unfortunate SD for Punk Panda. And he's
Aggie's feeling good.
He's a little shooken up right now, but he's going to stay on that platform, think about it, and come back.
He's going to play really smart here. Like, there's no other choice. Oh, wow. That down air auto-canceled right before he hit the ground. They just ended up shielding.
Patented. Jab down smash. The Punk Panda
There you
classic.
go. All right. Grab it to a down smash. It's all right. Trades.
Nice shorten on the side B.
Yeah. He would have gone way too far if he didn't. That's pretty good. Ooh.
See, even despite having that SD, he's just going right back in.
Wolf's combo
into
game
it.
is so fun.
Oh my god, that walked.
Wow.
Punk Panda potentially on his last stock. Let's see what's going to happen.
Is this his tournament stock? Yeah, this is losers, right?
Yeah, this is losers.
Who did Aggie lose to?
Hunger Head Crab.
Gotcha.
Great grab. No gimp. Oh my, what just
Whoa,
happened?
I don't know.
PM. PM, ladies and gentlemen.
It's a game. It's a game that I hold very near and dear to my heart.
And off the top.
It's a double shines going.
Chain grabs?
Question mark?
We got those. That was cute.
He's like, what?
And nope, side B instead of an up B. Punk Panda doing amazing in this stock. Aggie has full loft on deck.
Oh, Punk Panda might be able to bring this back if he plays really smart.
Yup.
Oh, no. Right as I say that,
Punk Panda a little disappointed, but he played well.
Wario.
Got
I should
fifth
just
at-
stop talking.
Got fifth here at Black Wolf. Is it May? Yeah, it is May. My birthday
May.
hasn't happened yet. Duh. So it looks like we got Hungry Head Crab versus Lime.
Where's Lime?
Elsewhere, we're gonna have Aggie and Chip in losers quarters. So that wasn't even quarters. That was sevenths. It looked like.
Yeah.
So before Lime and whatnot, they get on here, I'm actually going to step off and see what my carpool's doing because I am about to starve to death, and I don't want to do that.
Me
But,
too.
Yeah, before I go, quick shout-outs to IMAD. He's in the stream, I'm pretty sure. I see Snail. He's cool. CCU Bit's cool. Bluetooth's cool. Yeah, shout-outs to everybody.
There you go.
All right, Miles, I love you.